Hey folks, a couple of thoughts. My YouTube channel has had quite a lot of exposure recently because the very well known and very excellent YouTube channel called Lang Focus did a feature on Irish Gaelic a few days ago, and they asked for my collaboration with it. So they made a mention, and a lot of people have been checking out my stuff. One of the quite common comments is most of them seem to go to one video that I did in Gaelic about Gaelic, completely all in Gaelic, about features of Gaelic, and people come on there, and a lot of people saw that one and they didn't really go too much into the other videos. I don't know how it works. I suppose they were directed straight to that video, which happened to be the latest one I had done, and a lot of people were saying please put subtitles in English and in Gaelic. So I kind of listened to the script and did what is, to all intents and purposes, subtitles. I put the text of what I was saying in the description box below. But translating it into English, it wouldn't really make sense because the video was simply about features of Gaelic within Gaelic. So how would I explain that in English? I could, but it would take 3 times as long. We're going around in a very roundabout way, and it wouldn't really have any impact. Or wouldn't really make a lot of sense to describe features of Gaelic in a different language, because there's quite specific tips on mostly on a certain verb. It's kind of one of the kind of catch-all verbs. It's not the verb get, but the verb get in English is similar. Now, if you were to give a talk about the verb get, to get in English, in another language, you'd lose a lot of the nuances and practicality of it, I think. So plus I'm not very good with technology and subtitles and all that kind of stuff. So I didn't bother. So here's my kind of explanation of why I don't see any point in translating that particular video about a common verb in Gaelic into English, because it would be wasted on whoever didn't understand Gaelic anyway, because it's quite high level, well, not high level, but it's well above basic Gaelic to know all these features of this catch-all verb. The verb, by the way, in Gaelic is caitheamh, and it can be translated as get, catch, wear, spend, throw, eat, consume, partake of. So there you go, there's your basic translation of it. The verb caith, or caitheamh in Gaelic, means all those things and more in English. So it's a verb that's speckled all over normal Gaelic speech and text. So there you go. Right, I was going to talk about something else, but I suppose there's my little very summarized translation of my latest video in Gaelic about the verb caitheamh. Almost untranslatable in less than at least 10 or 15 words in English. Okay peeps, I'll sign off for now and maybe go ahead and do the other another video in English on something else a bit more important. So catch you later. Bye.